Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you turn on your PC and see a blue screen that says your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart, with the error code Unmountable Boot Volume, it usually means there's an issue with corrupted Windows system files or a problem with the hard drive itself. In this video, we'll try to fix this error using a simple and effective method, so let's get started. Alright, first we'll need another working PC so we can download Windows 11 ISO file and create a bootable USB to fix the issue. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Then go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 ISO file. After that, download the Rufus application, which we'll use to create the bootable USB from the ISO file. Once both files are downloaded, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Run the Rufus application and connect your USB drive. Make sure the USB drive has at least 16 gigabytes of space. Also, keep in mind, this process will format the USB drive, so be sure to back up any important data before continuing. Now click on the Select button in Rufus and choose the Windows ISO file you downloaded earlier. After that, click Start. The process will take a few minutes, so just be patient while Rufus creates the bootable USB. Once the Windows 11 bootable USB is ready, unplug it and plug it into the system that's showing the Unmountable Boot Volume error. Alright, I'm now on the system where I was getting the Unmountable Boot Volume error. Turn on your PC and press the boot key. When the boot menu screen appears, select your USB drive from the list. This will boot the system from the USB and start loading the Windows 11 setup. Once the installation screen appears, click Next, then click Next again and select Repair Your PC option. After that, select your keyboard layout, go to Troubleshoot, and then open Command Prompt. From here, we'll run a few commands to fix the issue. First, type CHKDSK /R C : and press Enter. This command will scan the C drive for file system corruption and bad sectors and then try to repair them. This process can take some time, so just let it finish. Once that's done, next type Bootrec /fixboot and press Enter. Next type Bootrec /fixmbr and press Enter. After that, type Bootrec /rebuild BCD and press Enter. Finally, type sfc /scan now and press Enter. This will scan for corrupted system files and repair them automatically. After the scan completes, you should see a message saying Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Now close the command prompt, shut down your system, and then turn it back on. As you can see, Windows is now loading normally without the Unmountable Boot Volume error. That's how you can fix this issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.